Everyone tells you to work harder, hustle more, sleep less, grind 24/7. But what if that advice is actually destroying your life? Because here's what nobody wants to admit. The most successful people you admire aren't doing more than you. They're doing way less. They just know which less to do. And if you're constantly pushing, always busy, working yourself to death and still feeling stuck in the same place, this isn't about motivation. This is about strategy. You're playing the wrong game entirely. Before we go any further, pause this for 5 seconds and comment less if you're tired of being busy but not getting anywhere. That one word locks your mind into what you're about to learn. Here's the brutal truth. You think more effort equals more results, more hours, more tasks, more projects, but that's a lie. The reality, effort without direction is just expensive distraction. You probably know someone who's always busy. Every meeting, every email, working weekends. 5 years later, same position, same problems, same life. Then there's that other person, relaxed, says no to most things, works on specific projects, and somehow they keep rising. Better opportunities, more money, more freedom. What's the difference? One drowns in activity. The other focuses on impact. Let me show you how this works. Warren Buffett told his pilot to write down his top 25 career goals, then circle the top 5. The pilot thought the other 20 were secondary focus. Wrong. Buffett said those 20 were now his avoid-at-all-cost list. They're distractions disguised as opportunities. That's the game. Elimination beats addition every time. Here's what you do right now. First, audit your week. Write down everything you did, every task, meeting, project. Now ask one savage question. If I stopped doing this completely, what would break? Most of the time, nothing breaks. You've been doing busy work that feels productive but changes nothing. Cut it immediately. Second, apply the 80-20 rule like your life depends on it. 20% of your actions create 80% of your results. Find that 20%. Double down. Delete everything else. Maybe it's one client bringing most revenue, one skill opening every door, one relationship unlocking opportunities. That's where your energy goes. Everything else is noise. Third, master strategic no. Every yes is a no to something else. Yes to that pointless meeting means no to deep work. Yes to everyone's problems means no to building your own life. Successful people don't have more time. They protect their time like the most valuable currency on earth, because it is. Here's what changed everything with me. I stopped trying to be everywhere, stopped responding instantly, stopped taking every opportunity. My results exploded, not because I worked harder, because I worked smarter on fewer things that mattered. But here's where people crash. They confuse doing less with doing nothing. This isn't about being lazy. This is about being lethal. You're not doing less to scroll TikTok for 6 hours. You're doing less to go all in on what moves the needle. It's spreading yourself thin across 10 mediocre projects versus dominating one thing that changes your life. Think about it like this. A laser focuses all energy into one point and cuts through steel. A light bulb spreads that energy everywhere and just makes things visible. Same energy, different focus, different results. You've been a light bulb. Time to become a laser. Real-life application. Stop checking email 47 times daily. Pick 2 times, morning and afternoon. Done. Stop attending meetings that don't require your input. If you're just listening, you don't need to be there. Stop doing tasks someone else could do for minimum wage while you're capable of maximum value creation. Action step right now. Open your calendar, look at next week, find 3 things you can delete, delegate, or delay. Just 3. Watch how much space opens up. Watch how much energy you suddenly have for what actually matters. Because nobody's going to care how busy you were. They'll care what you built, what you created, what impact you made. You can't build anything great while drowning in everything meaningless. Stop glorifying busy. Start glorifying effective. Do less, achieve more. Watch how fast your life transforms when you finally focus on what matters. Now go eliminate something today. Your future self is counting on it. Right now, comment one thing you're eliminating this week, just one, And if this hit you, subscribe, because everything on this channel is about cutting noise and building a life that actually moves forward.